This is the training on showing you how to use the Tanito Ironman scale. First, when we're preparing the scale to be used, we will take any sort of bleach or antibacterial. We prefer this one here, and we make sure that the whole surface area is covered and cleaned. While lifting the little handles on the side, clean on both sides, make sure that all the germs are removed, especially during the cold and flu season. Then at this point, we will take some water that's actually been infused with some sodium and spray a little bit on the scale, both on the handles and where the feet will lie. At this point, we will then enter the customer's information, starting out first down in the bottom right corner with the guest. As you press guest, it will then display the age of the person. You will put the age of the subject by either going up or down on the arrows. Then you hit set, which will set the age. The next, it will prompt you whether it's a woman. You scroll up for a man. And then if they work out more than 4 hours a week, you will actually put them into athletic mode. There is a woman version of athletic, and there's also a male version of athletic. If they are not there and you need to continue to go, just continue to scroll next and it will continue the cycle. So here we have a woman. We will set her. Then it will show the height. Bring the height down exactly the same, and then hit set again. At this point, the scale is ready for the subject to step onto it. This is where we will take our subject, and we like to add a little bit of water onto the hands to create some conductivity between the customer and the scale. At this point, lift the hands and hand these to the customer, and as they step on the scale, make sure that the back of the heel is on the middle pad of the silver pad. The toes can be hanging off the edge in the front, all they'd like for larger feet, but the back heel must sit on the center of the scale. At this point, we will have them then grip the handles tightly and relax their arms to their side. At this point, then, the scale will actually be doing its work and will be measuring all the biomarkers. Once you hear the beep, we let it circulate for about another 3 to 5 seconds until the center here shows a full body. Once that's received, all the information is received, please take the handles, set them back in. Sometimes the customers will have a tendency to drop those handles unless you take them. At this point then, we take the biomarkers here by pushing these little round buttons. We need to make sure that the biomarker shows a full body, and then this will show body fat percentage. The next we show is their scale weight. The next you go up is their metabolic burn value, and if you wait another 4 or 5 seconds, it will give the body an age. Then the next level is the hydration level, pushing next to visceral fat. Next would be the bone density, and lastly muscle pounds. At this point then, we record all that information, and then we will circulate through the entire body, giving the body an overall cardiovascular number, anywhere from 1 to 9, and we record that number as well. And this is how you use the Tanito Ironman scale.